What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today we're going to be doing what we call Maduros. These are plantains and they are ripe, so they will be sweet. A lot of countries in the Caribbean eat this food and it's really delicious. I'm going to try them in the air fryer, and we're going to be using some smoked salt to give it some nice smoky notes. It's going to be really delicious and super simple to make. So let's get right to work. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the plantain and we're going to cut the ends. Just like that. And then we're going to slice it. Just a little slice. And it's really easy to peel. Just like that. So cut both ends. And this is a really delicious snack, or just something to add to your rice and beans. It's sweet and a little bit savory because you add the salt, of course. Normally they get deep fried, but you know that just defeats the purpose because you're adding a whole ton of calories. And oil, we know that it's not really good for you to eat in big quantities like that. I'm using 1 teaspoon of olive oil just to kind of coat them. And that's really about it. So the peels, we're going to set them aside for the compost bin. I'm going to come over here. We got a bowl ready. And I like to cut my plantains kind of like slice them in an angle like this. I'm going to place them in the bowl. Kind of like in slivers. I feel like you get more surface area and they cook more evenly this way, because they're thinner. Same thing with the other one. About 1/4 inch in width, the slices. I'm gonna put them all in our bowl. And now we're just gonna slightly coat them with a little bit of olive oil, because this will give that nice little caramelized exterior. These will not be crispy. Normally Maduros are actually soft, and they're just soft and sweet, and they get a little bit of caramelization on the edges, which makes them look really nice and golden, and they also taste delicious. So we're gonna add a little bit of my smoked salt, and this is gonna give it like a smoky element. And this stuff smells amazing. If you guys have not tried smoked sea salt, I highly recommend it. I think I have this on my Amazon affiliate store. And if you guys ever want to order any of the ingredients, or for example the Taotronics Air Fryer that I use, my Amazon store has all the stuff that I use and recommend. And the great thing about that is that, you know, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. Basically, I just use their products and try it out, and if you see it in my store, it's because it has survived in my kitchen. Same thing with my Doll Strong knife that you guys know I've had for years. I actually have a coupon code for the Doll Strong knives you could use on their website, not on Amazon, and all of that will be in the comments and the description of the video. Also have a coupon code for the Taotronics Air Fryer. Alright, so enough talk. These are coated with the olive oil and smoked salt. Now we're going to go over to our air fryer and get them in. Alright guys, so here is our air fryer. It's got a nice big basket. It's non-stick, and I absolutely love this machine. I'm going to go ahead and put the plantains in, just like that. Spread them out a little bit. There we go. I'm just going to spread them and put them in. And I'm actually going to go with their preset. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see the display. I'm going to go with their preset, which is for French fries, which is the first one. Just hit here, 15 minutes at 400, and I'm going to hit play. Basically, it's just going to cook it for 15 minutes. When it gets to about 7 minutes, I'm going to check them out and turn them around to make sure they're not sticking or burning. You always want to take a look at your stuff halfway through to make sure you're going in the right direction. So in about 7 or 8 minutes, we'll check them out and I'll let you guys see what they look like. Alright guys, so it's been about 10 minutes. It's been cooking. I probably waited a little bit too long, but I got distracted and forgot these were in here, to be honest. But let's see. They look really, really good. Look how golden they are. Beautiful. I mean, they look like they were fried, but you know that they were air fried. And they actually got color on both sides without really turning them, which is great. I'm going to separate them a little bit and put the lighter colors, the lighter sides up, because I think that the heating element in the air fryer is on the top. That way we get them nice and even and golden all over. But they look amazing. I'm really, really happy with it. I'm happy with the caramelization of them and how nice they look. This is exactly where they're supposed to look like if you did them on a traditional air fryer. So I'm very, very happy with that. I'm going to give them another 4 minutes and we'll come back and give them a taste. Alright, so as you guys can probably tell, these are done. They came out really, really golden. Super nice. You can actually even hear them sizzling still. The air fryer did an amazing job. I'm going to get a thumbnail and also give them a taste. I gotta give them a little bit of time to cool because they are piping hot right now and they are definitely sizzling. So look how beautiful these look, guys. Let's see if we can get. Look how nice and golden that looks. I mean, the air fryer did a nice job at caramelizing these. They remind me of the deep fried Maduros that I've had growing up as a kid. Definitely texture wise and look and everything look just like them. So there we are. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share so we can continue growing healthy recipes. And I'll see you really soon on the next one. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and give these delicious Maduros a taste. Look how beautiful and golden they look. I'm super, super happy with the way they turned out. Amazing job done by the Taotronics Air Fryer. If you guys want to get this air fryer, I have a coupon code that reduces the price by $14 from $119.99 down to $105, and I'll provide it in the video description and also in the comments. So you guys can go through the Amazon affiliate store, purchase it, and then use that coupon code and it will give you guys $14 off, which is really, really great. So, wow. Oh my God. Super sweet, nice and soft, little bit of smokiness from that salt. You can just smell it, the smokiness of that smoked salt. Perfect texture, caramelization. These will go amazing with any dish. You can have them like this as a snack. I'm going to actually wrap them up in the burrito and bring you guys a leftover burrito wrap with these in it, which is going to add a sweet element to it. So, guys, you got to try this. Air fried plantains with smoked sea salt.